How to use Monzo card on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, first of all, you will have to install Monzo on your device, whether Android or iOS. And in case if you are on iOS, then you will have to add it on your wallets. So when you add it on your wallets, you will be able to use it. And in case if you are on Android, then you can add it for Google accounts. And after getting the Monzo app on your device, just make sure that you have verified your account and you have the card. After that, open up the wallet section on your iPhone and just click on the plus icon at the top. After that, you will be able to find the option of Monzo. Then just select it and click on next. And this way, you would be able to add Monzo in your wallets of iOS, and in the similar way, you can add it in your Google wallets as well. And that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.